Welcome to my channel Mujahid Roja Pakistani. Today I want to show you the episode first, just a journey. Notable episodes involving custody, disputes, and arrests. Teen or witnesses for the arrest. Judge Jody season 24 episode 980 air April 24, 2020. In this episode, a woman attempts to take her teen son without the father's consent, leading to a confrontation where she accuses the father of assault. The situation escalates, resulting in the father arrest witnessed by their child. A heated custody dispute, Judge Judy, season 25, episode 180, aired June 1, 2021, following an unfavorable custody ruling. A mother is accused of vandalizing the father's car, showcasing the intense emotions that can arise from custody battles. Co-parenting nightmare, Jodie Justice season first episode 18 aired November 17, 2021. The episode features a man alleging that the mother of his child attacked him with a knife during a heated argument. She spends 2 nights in jail and later seeks compensation for damage she claims resulted from his allegedly false accusations. If you recall specific details such as the name of the individuals involved, the season or the year the episode aired, please provide them. This information can help in pinpointing the exact episode you're referring to. So in the end, subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Okay, take care. Goodbye.